Episode for Ahaya GC News, Mema Obibia Akwaba, Ahadia latest and hot news engwa enamede Bremo Edunti, so we now subscribe to channel idea Bomodia say over subscribe. Dobe an say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification when a new video be upload no when the first person I want sa ebeka ayesa video. Afi we are now like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma Ato Forson na when you be here na wo hu ensema ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum afi yembura ye ensema abeto ye pono so eye Hopeson Adorye edi ensema tudwa what to be money eye MPP for no a wo chese abatu we ne lusu awie kra na no chese won hwe kwan MPP for the Ashanti region afaso ho ye mu stronghold hwe kwan one day Ashanti region afaso na Hopeson to be money wo no say hey obi enwane nko bebi on betra kuruma no mu lusu wi a ene airport no obi sikwan kra ene mo passport obi gini nyina ode ba kuma IGP ene ye hwe na ohun so ye cloud ye na wo kwan so betu obetimi atukwan enye sade a ene say ye jele na aye Hopeson ede ensem bebre atoja ententemara yenko nakachi yenkotie ni nsema odi atoja ne tinzem no
aye amobo yen
asenso ne regional minister de
o ye MP when you former MP, was I a minister?
Cabinet.
When so you a minister? Mote radio so. Na Bobo project 50. Yanga said 10, Yanga said 20. 5.
8 years.
Why ye? Our Ashanti region. When him say a trimodinti or time enti kufo ho time, alan ho time enti project in Koso Ashanti region. I'm saying this for a fact.
Wow. No drama. Sensi subim.
Projects are kufo eya oko olusu anasi we in the office. MPP elusu power. Na NDC baye. Omu so bi mu. Ebi ejato ho. Ni omu jato ho no omu ye emu fufuro. Ada we show ti sekejeti marketing ade. Nye kufo ye no eye krofro market kufo efri apejafi anamwa
pepe
apejafi o mensha south mebwa mensha south one ye MP ho napo ande wababa ye rani mate anamwa
jo mama beto aso amadu say dey chance egoso aka ho
eti market ni na aka ho no se Akufo Addo baye ananka wo ye say kufo said ya menene ti me sheda nmonyama nko ayesa market no said ye kumasifo eto aba ema MPP ana omudwene eye Ashanti region ho
not even a say
omunim say wokwa Ashanti region a adwadie ene wo modwuma omoye
kofom
when it comes to business Ashanti region the whole Ghana eti say abanisa ane say adwaye ana yesi mami nkonko wie emfama wo na no so ma meka kejeti ede hu kra na emi kumase businesses mu wonu se utwa mu ho no mu a obetima achi akrante nyina ho
o se obisa wona ne ye secondary school emene wona aba college amankwa
that's right
wona ne edi agro
enti sesi edia pa na MPP be kire se ye baba mu 8 years sade we ni aye
tentina ba o me for 2
hospitals yada mo cheche ase wa ne ni akike nyina 8 years
be kwai
8 years she oti Ashanti nyina adu ade ewu mitu mu ese wankasa because say 8 years enye ade a starting fresh o ade no wo ho kufu achase NDC ba beto aso na another 8 years yantima wi a na wuti Ashanti region a wo so yeden look say maybe am say Allah nkrade ho sia 1% kra wonya omu cancer mu kire ye omu sre ye ni ade Allah ko fa Ashanti region once o
abobi hu
once po
makoti na
obedru ya pe yesi e kwakodi 16 days Bawumia kwakoti na yi obi frame wo se ogina ne fie danim na wo hwe nkrofo gu fie danim anam say anti campaign was o kwakọ ne fie no hye which of you
zip line
na Bebia Annan echinchi ye from constituency to constituency. No. Once Alan no me make politics muno or your master tactician.
Pepe.
We move from community to community. In the constituency no. Say MPP wa ko Gyamfi ko no ma ba same crofo. Look, you find so mo ye Rari for Krom. Ko ba se aso asefo aba. Ombe basi Jusufo aba asokwa ihyaye so no mo atwom na be go no the camera to so dipa ba yo dada wo Annan is moving say Ofori Krom we move identify communities in Ofori Krom constituency
moneba
at least one year kra no be say 12-13 communities we will move from community to community na fe or interact with the people. Etino they get the feel say papa no ana abaye nche ni ade. So across the country say na niye. Eti ama ala hoden e wa Ashanti region no akosoro. They say Annan is going to get between 35 to 40% of Ashanti region vote. Market.
Come 7 December.
Market. And Thursday. What you need mu mean that 3 weeks pepe near Kotwaba no. Maybe there be 3 weeks pepe. They say ye back in kind money be Annan will crop between 35 to 40%
in Ashanti region.
They say abaye kwako to MPP better 30.
MPP be this
obedi 30. Chiroto. They say obedi 30.
What you say MPP be this 30. Bawumia be di NAPO be this
obedi 30. Your Mahama be ready kind. 1 plus 50% no.
Hopeson dey na okay.
What dey tie? 1 plus 50% no. Alan better so mienu. Bawumia better so 3. Na fi okwa kwatranse. A runoff between John Mahama and Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. No, and the dia for to babi to akwiem. Na Ghana ababe making history. Yanya the first independent president of the Republic of Ghana. No abe form a government of national unity. Hey, that time is Amini Mugabe. Young boy no presidential spokesperson. So, look, Bubo projects in Ashanti region. We see a zip line. Ish. It is me. And to say, young family say, I buy what no say, oh, me baba to motorbikes. I call region because say, or more quine yentino, a bit nama is a access. Yet, yes, you on Mudo ya no for free. Now they are called Opo no de Babisiwa. Does it? I mean, ye camp projects are Obeka no so wana. Zipline.
Auntie Rebecca. Maternity.
Rebecca Akufo Addo.
And 2 for
until when?
2 for SNG Skako.
Look, First Lady year project. It's not government project. NGO. You need budget from the National Conference for First Lady. Well, no one ye can say Lala Sulala. Every baby na man for money donations. And what ye project. And ye NGO. Who Kwaku Bose ye project abayi aye. They say so Ashanti region this year. Let the people know say, look, yent na ho maybe a moon fire ni munya den enye fom.
Also, the other bit, Mama, Dr. Bawumia, a bit me as sorry, friend, can so could do 15 days in Ashanti region.
And I make a choice. One say land here on Kahu, one matter. Now, Urefi say, Reggie be Obia so Pediaba. Obia Pediabo. When I catch you, say Savannah region for, or Mumba Tuaba more than a year ama Ubifufro than Mahama.
It's we see.
Why the Beckers or yes, I don't know. Because what them say what I'm a free.
They feel move to the boom.
Almost to the boom, dear Manu. What Ashanti region? Contestants in Inano.
Be a genetic.
And yet, Alan Chamantin, the fresh Ashanti region. Ashanti Forson himself, Modi, I don't know. Or move back to the boom. Alan. One back to the Amano. Now, J. Akufo Baye, Ashanti region, a BA. It's a fact. Ashanti region BA, no, Alan was behind it.
Sentiment DE.
A DE.
Your mama so bad sentiment DE.
Kufo success. Annan plays 50% role. 50%.
As Minister of Trade and Industry.
Including ambassadorial position now. Up to now, according to United States or more, just say Ambassador Gyamfi Ghana Enkoya, just say what perform more along Kojo Kyeremanteng. Maybe I'll go 2 years. It's a record there. And it's not know what Akufo Addo call USCB no pesa lan Kyeremanteng Ghana. Alla go free office. The last trip on the call ye. Alla mudi Ghana move flight in your problem or mukoko ye. Emergency landing war Spain. Eti you be other guest or Kokoya answer president or do or Ghana president Edika Kwaku Annan. Okay. So on yet no. Just say these are the people. Eti wamunim say wamumbi se woba onu so super boa aba wo honum ayeden abie
Asante Bediatuo for MPP hu ni sa.
Oh me say look obi asa de kuse ke ni team omu beto aba no papa omu beto
di entina obi betimi ato aba ma na sa region no de onu free region no mu no obayi mpuntu nyuma hospitals akwan joma ma hwe ne ma yiye market any ade na wa womu sankofo no womu ne to aba ma woni 47 constituencies na beba na obetimi ayi wo ma free bibie mu sa
ya ne ama na basa in the sense sa ya wo mitu mu no enu ana de sa de na ba
ene edu baby adui
adun na de edu baby adui 32 years ya da so market time but someone for who say why you aduma ma ye 20 hour next time when you have the opportunity na di be den e be ba ho so you have the opportunity next time obema na ni abre so obe develop honum look yes baby we go the channel ho na wakomada wo
baby woni gie wo no
eho so we na no eti baby ye to abama wo no ese sa wo ma wani e den eko that means good look from all indications
Mukofi
NDC stronghold baby omunya the highest vote Ashanti region per 2020 year can say results NDC got 600,000 plus in Ashanti region. Voter region, the World Bank gave NDC 500,000. Eti ehonum wamususu was support wo ana alabom mesi alambe kroko between 35 minimum 35 yebenya 40 yenya 40%. Yemfa say last time do Mahamanya 26% onyaka ho a saying 65 and 66 aka saying and 40 something
35 it's 34 so
yeah enti eba ni sa MBB omwe now we just 70% to grow Ashanti region awo no akwakwenya 30 something
sa ajapade no document no di woman no efa Asante ma ho no aye adwuma pa egusu ye adwuma say me printed ajapade document no 2000 copies. Wow.
Me check 1000 awakra.
Na de aka de kwen.
Nam de 1000 akwa Ashanti region. Me di baba station hanu ma chama me.
Sa ha you feel.
Ebi nso bia megina traffic mu. Na be che bankrofo. Ma chama mu ngina mu nkokan. In second year, would they study the forward of the document? Ready komu severally
content by
na fi analyze it na hwade me say Ghana, let us do Ghana good by making sure say MPP afra konya so then we can curtail this ajapade 10 Ghana for eya don the to maya we are going to investigate the ajapade document
and because all the
improfo a wo mo actually ye ni ade no we can investigate and get them wo say de yakọ parliament ejapa royalties akọ parliament Ghana ye mineral royalties nyina no wo na eba bejeje no de ama Ghana in the book they stated say they will intentionally undervalue the kind of saying royalties send your be chunk of the ebeba o mankasa nchen. And true to the fact, we share a year your royalties now. It is costing about $5 billion. Omukwa parliament, omudi 1 billion and the koye. 1 billion omudi koye no. Se ebase parliament ajetu mu ye sa 1 billion omo sa wo omo fa 4 billion na wie no omo sa wo chefa esa wo 1 billion mu. What kind of wickedness is this? And we sit down and allow it? No. Bese Ghana di bia wo hwem, Ghana di bia wo tie me. I am telling you, say, let us do Ghana good by making sure say MPP ewie na omo bawe no as say eye record e wo man mu hase
so mo wie mo den
eye record so that politician bia wo benya opportunity bia no obedwina o man no ho kwa be kasa asemu me say me 2016 I saw the defeat of NDC 2016
Seba
me catch a Akufo Addo say, look, you are going to win the elections. Atrari, I will break my center. Tankasila, you say.
Tankas, yeah.
Yes. I know mumame opportunity sa menkasa. Baby amijrana Akufo Addo timechipe. Ana me say, abana ye beto no 7 December. Se Akufo Addo beat Mahama less than 1 million voter. Esi ehwehwem. Wo tiemu, hey!
No. Ojam.
Etiemi na me say ye pon rally no ka ye do vie. I say na tia o tiemu no say wonje ni say. I go say what did this oba winning na difference no e too much. And I'm say wait and see. Ye to abanu we so me ko do me say o ka the rally asaba me ka no. E hwa do shake me say. I know say you are the man. Me say what I am seeing the defeat of MPP in December 7th. It will be a record.
Ebe sida.
Wamuti yamposa lanchamanti wom. Kamahama be biti Bawumia more than 3 million votes.
Hey, Hopeson.
Mena make a chong. But ala na abamundi no. Asevu omusa di mkwasiye no. Na ye call run off. Na lanchamanti ebebe ye president of the republic we are. I don't know who say yes. Amamu papa be free by biba.
Mumenya MPs.
What say?
Menya MPs.
MPs don't know go parliament no. MPs in the parliament no.
Yeah, more majority than minority.
That yeah, I'm found independent president. We have majority and minority akwan. One ya. Offer. Those who want to be ministers under him. Come.
And of course, all the two guys say 7 December to Abani we are Ubia and Tukwan.
Alan, we knew, Mahama, we knew, no government official would travel, may take over the airport.
Hopeson,
Mina make a job.
Obey the
May say may take over the airport. We just say we be took your bedjo passport, your bedjo passport reference.
Hopeson Adorye.
Mina make a job. Yes, about the Diabo Guma. Now, ya to about me and that's Balusha, who to Kwahi. Who bet na Kuma. I handing over ye. I'm here to talk. Government asset ami start ehwehwe yimu ye krewa obetuma to kwan ye nkrewa wo
buy passport
mo akwakọ yiye japade wa brochire ye kwakwetran obia du ho betu kwan and this of faka across to go na say odukra ye be position go
for borders no
me na make a kire ye dia bro we are going to save this country
you take over no
we are going to save this country me na make a kire say ya to aba. Yes, President elect. John Allan Kojo Kyeremanteng. We say Matame bag me for
you say John.
Hey,
you be John.
You obedi president no John. Look. Fourth Republic. Yankopon dia madon for. And ye kwaya so den e di party. So the first president of the Fourth Republic. John Jerry Lawrence. Anamiwa.
Pepe.
Second president. John Ajekumkufo. Third president, John Evans Atamas. Fourth president, John Dramani Mahama.
John.
Kwaku fifth president, you know. Kwaku William Akufo Addo. What would bre any or how any Kwadanda Babatezo? Some of them.
They are so chill.
And sa election ya Yakui. Ya John from you. Bakuye 4th John. Say you perfume John Amanaba. Etra we catch us you call out of that. John Allan Kojo Kyeremanteng baba. But big at it menu John and the winning these elections. One of them.
What percentage in the say?
What's saying?
So they also run off percentage in the question.
Me say 0.1 crowd nipa na winning. What you say? But what will happen is MPP defeat in there. Look, you see, those days, Yeshia, Momuki Kaki Komugofuna, Adewe, Yenise, once or say, it makes sense. Me a move, me a co. Me pesa me comment you. Me pesa me correct you obu bibia ho. Ojaje. E can make him show 1 2 3 a yibi omuya enu de be mo chese omu defeat no baba ye kese. Ba ye kanene. Minka. Mawo. Ye to abani wi a me kire omu ye ntu a omu awe. Because abade go omu awe didawo. Me na me ka kire o. Hwe sa cosmetic show no omu ye esesa nkofo ko gu ba bi eni ade. Hwe ba bi adipa ni no na fe o ma sheda twe camera no mu ana. I mean, ni na ye cosmetic. One ka so dim sa de ne nye. Wonim. Hwe empenifo atitru na wo mu mo mata no. De bu, o mi say, hey, obse. I don't know mo hayu mo hweda mo ma back.
And of course, only ala me kasai. Senko
o muntimi ni obi ani ho betimasi ala ni. Me na me ka kiro. Me kan no ha say ne. None of them. Da me go musu zo me ba nim na ala no betima go nanim. Bia meti ya be nyu bia yi. O musu zo me ba manim. Na Alan ada betima go nanim. O muntimi aka 23 days. Afenyo obe kwa ala nim.
Freeze chese mo.
Yeah.
Freeze chese na mo.
You see, sa propaganda no, Ghana for BNG. One more advert TV, protect free SHS. So vote Deben. One more dadamu.
Monyatema a secondary school video no.
One more dadamu. Nyati say what just a comprehensive review. Ni ahwe finance say ahwe we can say infrastructure, ahwe you can say one more syllabus ni e kai ka ho. Ahwe training ya curriculum yi, ni ahwe training of teachers ni e kai ka ho. Wo bag review sa di we nyina. Then you who say this is the way to go. Eti eyendata. So ma ya duma, e kanya free SHS na Bawumia campaign. Hwe Alanchamatic Assembly.
So for you been passing free SHS and you moboto miska.
Na say only there is a fact. President won't pay tax. Vice President won't pay tax. Me no we pay tax. You see can no more free SHS. E ti di asem no mo ka kire yin. Sika o. Hwe. Me ba bi samede before you mount. Now go through. Now within a week. You living kwa matiano. Wogi kabumu a enya deketwa. You living kwa o. Obi wa me so wo mu amekakra. Mo wa sene. In a day, when you 300 cedis hey, wo sene 1 cedi kra yetew. Je petisa. E dia part of this escanaye. Number 2, from Kwame Nkrumah, Buziamu, a Champon, Hilali Manu, Lawrence, Kufo, JMS, John Dramani Mahama, Wamuvi na Wokaka, Wamuboto Homa Ghana, 122 billion. Ada Akufo Addo ne Bawumia be fire. 8 years over 60 years. 122 billion. 8 years you are moving from 122 billion to 764 billion. Aden you who hear so. Aden what about the 600 and you can say 2 billion. Anabeka within 8 years. Okay, about 5 projects. What 5 projects. Look at it. Let's let me tell Minister B. 122 no. Okabomwa. Now the free baby NDC fan no 9 billion hono. Now kekaki kabomwa neche say NDCJ Bosia passing. MCE. So common sense will not tell you. So from even 9 billion to 122 billion, Gyamfi is 110 billion. Gyamfi is ababekam na 111 billion ababekam. From 122 billion to 774 with the 600 billion plus about the camp. We say what 100 and something billion. What Jessica more as in what 600 billion. Common sense, Ira.
Also, Sunday, we can use videos. We nice. So for some impact, we are here. Now, say.
NBC tickets. I am Chilean. Am I your cool? Bonsam, am I your suit? Officer, a free education. Now, Patrol. Free education. I am a penny, Nipotomska, and what year free education. And Ghana, Jessica. I am Bosian Cry, Ghana, give more the cowboy. And that tax, I a church here. And Timpacho, Jessica, our Bible. No, the I have my send your food. And I'm a boy. Nemesica and a child or something. Free education and you're one about Tomska. Omo country said, I say no more about Tomska no more. I again a sick and free education. It's my crowd. I just said, you're sick or not the idea, mammy.
I hope so.
Hey, so
and I'm the walk or Subimpa. Your mum cacra on our fee. Tamadia Meraho.
Me chrome phone shall me pa. I Kojo chrome phone.
More messages.
More messages. And to me, Chamina, big Joe.
So why we are tough.
And Chajara, Mammy, Chasa Munina, Michamuna, Yanko Sham.
Okay.
She one secondary school where you're going. Look. Say, Obia Babemu 8 years. What Timas is mansions. By 7, 8. 7. Akatua ye trianon.
You
say, or say, Vunina no case, o nib see the crown fantodian in here. 8 years. Won't mean sis are dino bacocra. But what you may see 8 in Kenya Bonnie. Now, o share classroom and collect good classroom. Secondary education. Now, well, they say, Mom protecting. You also Mom protecting. National capital.
Tema.
And you remember me from Koviadio. Huh? And you Koviadio. And then Yachavi. Regina, you can say, national capital. Tema, any Accra, a boom, a Yukroba, po.
Araho.
Na school nkwala timu eni
science block
edunye ebianum mumia fa ye ho adwene hwe mese se mekasa manfo be ko jela eya na wo mu fi se mechanic keke. These are some of the things that you hear na yenden say ye be make sure say abanfo ko jail.
Do my bro.
First, secondary school, a bank make sure. Wo modua no mbedi, wo munkonya eni ade, ye decentralizing. Ye decide tamase, carpenter for whatever, enya adwuma no mo ye nkonya e de ma omo.
Security amoko na ne papa ye carpenter otia mass e wo aye lase formula.
That's right.
Security amon papa.
No ye nkonya ma school for no.
Nkonya ma school for.
You see?
Sinu ni nkonya ye pa.
Eba wo mu nuane a wo bonse temafo na pharmacy no
ne bezes
chese wo manya kwan eti headmaster any beza am make sure say ya to nuane from your local
for sheka na kofaba
na kwa kofaba aban wo yini nyina de about one point central point
chichim
na fi wona ye fu soja bra beje koko e sopra wa na answer the be free soldier class o me ono de nketinketi o akese me say there are certain things I na me pesa me boso minister for mo ankasa formal shadow companies and the executive yi wo mu fi si eni afrafra be say amount for be ko jail me ma small hint wo mo ankasa afom companies that dem profile to ano they say mo de munya botre boko hwe documents e kura ye no hu ogofo we mu e tira make say ye to abado mu lusu airport me say ye big training profile what the airport unim to come here ho me say ka ye de that time we police dey near Casabra who dey attempt
airport
and ye dey face so papa ya makwan ema wu edi ema obi ndi o minor bro escape da obi akowi abanche what the peace in 5 years
you need citizen arrest
what them 2 years no obi adigana bro that was it me see a beji obi a passport afrinism e airport wono what the course wo kwakwa check na na atwim ye beji afrinism ye ji a mempe ayintunu mi ankasa me drive na makwa GP office me keep passport mami ya hand over here ya babaje
what be my GP and deputy GP
me de be kwa GP angasa ho ya kwa angasa na me de be ko
betimi abho ban
hwe wa want to be mo ho ban ha na betimi ayi
na waji key no for dollar no wetumi protect
dollar no dollar ndi se egun krofo mpase
yo waiting for winning and some year Hopeson Adorye awade and some to be money a year MPP for na wada some do na ra edi meka say so when subscribe to channel edi bomodi say obe subscribe say had latest and hot news nkwa ena me de brown afa we anwa like video like the video na fi share ma ofofro so na when you be here na wo hu and some ekoso e wo Ghana me mo hanam ozo betimi otchere wadwen afa yen some we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mo beti minkabium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.